Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. This is how to backtest your strategy part 1. Before we start, it's very important to understand what is a backtest and how the market works. The market moves in a cycle and repeats itself in patterns. That's why we have things such as the technical graph analysis and popular strategies such as the Fibonacci. Traders believe that the market will repeat in patterns. However, most of the time this is true. So if we can go back 1,000 trades and confirm that a strategy worked for most of the time, that means we have an edge or a positive strategy. If it's right for 1,000 trades, it's not luck, it just works. The farther you can backtest a strategy, the more confident you will be in that strategy. When talking about backtesting, we are talking about the past. There's no way we can guarantee the market will repeat itself, but it's the best and only thing we have to test strategies. With that being said, let's start backtesting. First, I have the essential plan, so I'll only be able to backtest 1 month. However, if you want more, then I suggest you get the premium plan and you have up to a year of deep backtesting. So let's go check out our properties. Here we can see that the data range, the backtesting range, it starts on the 6th of September and it goes up to the 10th or the 13th of October. So checking out the overview, we see that we have 41. However, my settings is set to a year prior. So if we go change that from October 2022 and we go to September 6th, 2023, we can see that the number has not changed. So that means it's accurate. After that, we can go to the list of trades. Here you can see that each trade number, each individual trade, the type it was. For this one, it was a short, the date and time where it was exactly placed, the price it was placed at, how many contracts you use, the profit you made or lost, and the total profit you have here. However, the next one is super important. The run-up is how much profit you could have potentially have made. It depends on what you would do. Now, backtesting isn't perfect. It lacks the human aspect, but it does do a good job. For example, when you have a run-up, instead of getting stopped out here, you could have just put your break even and then not have stopped. You would have not have lost money. Next, we have the performance summary. Here you can see everything about the performance of the strategy, including its total closed trades, which is 581, the total winning trades, and the total losing trades. You can see how much it was profitable, the percentage, and the average trade you made around $70. The average winning trade was 503 and the average losing trade was 215. Notice how there's less winning trades, but when it does win, it's almost double the losing. On top of that, you can also see your largest winning trade, which was 2,140, and your largest losing trade, which was only 730. After that, you can go to your overview, and this gives you a general overview of your strategy. Here you have your net profit, the total trades, what percentage it was profitable, the profit factor, the max drawdown, the average trade, and the average number of bars in a trade. We will go more in depth in this in a later tutorial, but for right now, all you need to know is that this is the entire timeline. Also, if you want to click on a purple bar, it will show you exactly where the trade was placed. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in part 2.